Hi, I'm Mike Greenberg, and I lead product marketing here at SurveyMonkey. Welcome to our 2025 product keynote. We're so glad you're here. Today, we've got something really special in store. We're pulling back the curtain on how we're transforming SurveyMonkey into the most intelligent, intuitive, and connected platform for gathering insights. Earlier, you heard Eric talk about the importance of asking great questions and how SurveyMonkey has helped people around the world answer more than 100 billion of them. That's a huge number. It's about the same as the number of stars in the Milky Way galaxy. And each of those 100 billion answers has helped somebody make a better decision or unlock a new opportunity. To name a few, plant-based food company Just ran its own market research with SurveyMonkey, which helped it discover entirely new, untapped markets for its products. Nonprofit UI Kai uses feedback from SurveyMonkey to improve its programming for seniors and give back to their community. And LG Electronics leverages employee pulse surveys to foster innovation and agility in their workplace. And we could go on. With every single response, we've continued to learn and improve, combining more than 25 years of expertise with the latest in AI to build the best survey platform in the world. Today, SurveyMonkey powers millions of AI-driven predictions every day, from helping you choose the right question type for what you want to learn, to predicting how long it'll take to complete your study, so you can ask better questions, uncover deeper insights, and take smarter action. And now we're taking it one step further with some really incredible new features. Let's dive in. Let's start with one of the most powerful ways to supercharge your surveys, integrations. Because here's the thing, insights don't live in a vacuum. You need to make them part of your workflows, and you need to get them out to your teams fast. That's why business app integrations have been a huge focus for us, letting you go beyond just collecting data to taking real action with it. In the past year, we've partnered with PayPal to make it simple to create payment forms right in SurveyMonkey and embed them on your website so you can easily collect payments for events, donations, simple orders, and more. We made it easier than ever to send surveys with WhatsApp, the most popular messaging app in the world. It's already the top social sharing method on our platform and a favorite for fast-moving teams. We updated our Salesforce integration for enterprise customers, making it easier than ever to automate hyper-personalized survey invitations with your Salesforce data right in SurveyMonkey. And we built an all-new experience for discovering and connecting to over 100 apps right in SurveyMonkey with our brand new Connect Apps tab. In the Connect Apps tab, you can easily search through a library of app integrations to find just the one you need, like MailChimp. And with a selection of native apps, you can set up no-code automations for the survey you're working on without ever leaving SurveyMonkey. We launched the first of these native integrations with Slack just a couple of months ago, so you can automatically send the right survey responses to the right people in Slack in real time, so you can take action right away. And since then, we've added native integrations for Microsoft Teams and Microsoft Excel that offer the same built-in no-code automation based on your survey responses. I'd love to give you a quick tour of our new Excel integration now. Let's pretend I work for Viverly, a high-end lifestyle brand for health-conscious consumers. We're planning a multi-day customer conference, and there are lots of session tracks, workshops, and networking events. And we're using SurveyMonkey to collect sign-ups for both the main event, breakout sessions, and to gather other information about our attendees. With the new built-in Excel integration, I can tell SurveyMonkey to add registration details to a spreadsheet in real time as they come in. No more file exports and imports. In Excel, you can set up pivot tables or other sheets to track registrations against your goals, spot sessions that might be overbooked or under-enrolled, easily report out on dietary preferences, and so on. It's all kept seamlessly up to date, and you can set it up fast without ever leaving SurveyMonkey. We think the Connect Apps tab and these new integrations are going to make a big difference in how quickly you can act on the feedback you collect with SurveyMonkey. Our new native integrations with Slack, Excel, and Microsoft Teams are all available to try out today, and there's much more to come. And now, I'd like to turn it over to Geet to tell you all about how we're using the power of AI to make survey creation and analysis faster and easier than ever before.
Thanks, Mike. Hi, everyone. I'm Geet Chopra, Senior Director of AI Product Management. If you've used SurveyMonkey recently, chances are you've seen our AI in action. For years, we've been delivering powerful context-aware features that make survey creation and analysis faster and easier than ever. Over 80 million data points help make 1.9 million AI-powered predictions for our users every single day. Here's what that means for you. Smart answer recommendations based on best practices. Survey scoring that catches errors and predicts response rates before you launch. Sentiment analysis that categorizes open-ended responses at scale. And our most popular feature, Build with AI, which generates a custom survey in seconds from a single prompt. Our users love using Build with AI. Since launch, you've used it to generate nearly 500,000 surveys. And today, we're making it even better with 2 big improvements. First, we're adding support for more question types, so you can generate more advanced surveys. Build with AI can now create surveys using matrix, ranking, and star rating questions, which are great for measuring customer preferences and sentiment. We will continue adding support for more question types. And for the first time, we're announcing today that we are bringing the magic of Build with AI to our mobile app for iOS and Android, so you can create and send a professional survey from anywhere. Let me show you how it works. Here we are in the SurveyMonkey mobile app. Let's say I work for Viberly, and we're at an industry trade show showcasing our latest products to potential buyers and distributors. We immediately start getting great feedback on the new lineup, and I'd like a better way to measure it. I'm not at an office, but that's not a problem because I've got the SurveyMonkey mobile app. To get started, I'll tap Create Survey and choose Build with AI. Now all I have to do is tell SurveyMonkey what I need. Create a short feedback survey for attendees at an industry trade show who visited the Viberly booth. Viberly is a high-end lifestyle brand for health-conscious buyers, and we're showcasing our newest product lineup. I want to understand what caught their attention, how likely they are to recommend or stock our products, and any suggestions for improvement. Keep it concise, 5 to 6 questions max, friendly, and on-brand. With a tap, SurveyMonkey generates a preview of my new product feedback form in just a few seconds. This looks great, so I'm going to tap Continue. If I need to make any changes, I can do that right here on my phone, and I can even send it to trade show attendees using WhatsApp. By tapping Send, choosing WhatsApp, and requesting their feedback. This is also a great opportunity for me to capture their contact information, so I can follow up directly. Really easy. As you can see, Build with AI on mobile is going to make it incredibly easy to build and send a survey whenever and wherever you have that next great question. You can download the SurveyMonkey app with Build with AI from the App Store or Google Play Store today. Of course, building a survey is just the start. The real magic happens when responses start rolling in and answers turn into insights. That's why we're just as focused on helping you analyze results quickly, confidently, and at scale. We recently introduced multi-survey analysis, making it easier to spot trends across surveys and timelines, all in one view. This has been incredibly popular with customers who have created more than 175,000 multi-survey dashboards to date. And now, we're layering in the power of generative AI with 2 new features: Thematic Analysis and Analyze with AI. Thematic Analysis identifies common themes across open-ended responses in seconds, so you can quickly and easily discover what respondents are talking about. And using Analyze with AI, an all-new chat-based analysis tool, you'll be able to talk to your data, get insights, charts, and more. Let me show you this new exciting feature. Say we've just run an employee pulse survey for Viberly employees, and we want to quickly understand the most important pieces of feedback. As you can see, we gathered employee demographics and asked all about overall job satisfaction, alignment with company goals, growth opportunity, and more. We've also asked an open-ended question to find out what people like most about working at Viberly. It's received quite a few responses. This could take a while to sort through and categorize manually. With thematic analysis, key themes will be surfaced in seconds, so you can get actionable insights without having to do all the work. We can also use Analyze with AI to answer any other questions you might have about the data you've just gathered. To start, just click Analyze with AI and right away you can start asking questions. For example, give me a table or chart showing average job satisfaction for each department. Analyze with AI quickly segments responses, visualizes the results, and explains the findings in natural language. It also provides information about its methodology and can even share the finding easily. Let's try another one. How do senior level employees rate their experience working with their managers? And again, we quickly get the answer we needed in seconds. It's a really great way to dive into your responses. We think Analyze with AI is going to fundamentally change how you get insights from your survey responses and help you uncover the why behind your results faster than ever before. We're currently putting the finishing touches on and expect Analyze with AI along with a beta release of thematic analysis to be available later this summer. And now, I'd like to hand it over to Mark to introduce the all-new SurveyMonkey survey creation experience.
Thanks, Geet. I'm Mark Muse, Senior Director of Product Management here at SurveyMonkey. Today, I'm excited to debut the first features in our reimagined survey creation experience, a bold step forward in making survey projects faster, more intuitive, and more collaborative to create and manage. It all starts with a cleaner design that helps you stay focused, find the tools you need, and work more intuitively in SurveyMonkey. Kelly Kimpton, our head of product design, is here to tell you all about it.
At SurveyMonkey, we believe that it should be easy to create surveys that help you reach and learn from people at scale, even if you're not an expert. So when we set out to redesign the survey creation experience, our goal wasn't just to make it beautiful, we wanted to make it effortless. Our new user experience is cleaner and more focused, removing distractions so you can stay in the flow. Every element has been considered. Critical details like notifications and AI-powered recommendations appear right where you need them, when you need them. We softened the edges, literally, with rounded corners, intuitive buttons, helpful instructions, and smooth interactions that feel natural and familiar. Subtle animations guide you, while color is used intentionally to communicate survey status, flag logic paths, and surface what needs your attention. The new SurveyMonkey experience is modern, responsive, and built to scale, whether you're working on a quick poll or complex research project. This isn't just a fresh coat of paint. It's a smarter, more intuitive way for you to create your best surveys faster. And we can't wait for you to try it out.
The new SurveyMonkey experience doesn't just look great, it's packed with new functionality like all new ways to find and organize your survey projects, AI-powered question import and theme design, a new survey overview panel that makes it easy to navigate your survey, and more. But rather than talk about the new SurveyMonkey experience, I'd like to show it to you with a quick demo. To start, let's take a tour of our beautiful new homepage. You can see how easy it is to keep track of all your survey projects at a glance. I've got one that's ready to go. Our AI is telling us there's no issues and it's ready to launch. I've got another one down here that's already receiving responses. With a single click, I can jump right in and analyze results or even share it with my team right from the homepage, with an awesome new interface for sharing surveys. And if you have a lot of surveys, it's easier than ever to find the one you're looking for, with live search and new ways to filter by survey status or sort your survey list. And we've put folders front and center so you can keep all of your related surveys together in one easy-to-find place. But we're going to create a new survey today so that I can show you some of our cool new survey creation features. So we'll just click Create Survey. Of course, we can build a survey from scratch using Build with AI, but I happen to have a draft right here that we've created in Google Docs. It's far from perfect. The formatting's inconsistent, and it's not even clear what type of question each of these are supposed to be, whether multiple choice, open-ended, or something else. So let's just copy all this as it is, and then go back to SurveyMonkey. I'll choose Paste Your Content and add our draft survey right in. You'll see that SurveyMonkey uses AI to figure this out, creating a great starting point for our survey, including the introductory text. It even did the right thing where I indicated I wanted none of the above answer option. Now this looks pretty good, but I want to make a few edits. First, I thought of a demographic question I want to add. With the new survey overview panel, I can get a bird's eye view of my entire survey and quickly jump straight to where I want to add this question without scrolling through the entire survey. We're going to ask about age, and we'll use AI-powered answer suggestions to help us create that question in seconds. Perfect. This is looking pretty good, but before I send it over to my team to check out, I want to make sure it's on brand. Now, I'm not nearly as good of a designer as Kelly, but with the new AI-powered theme generator, I don't have to worry. I just click Generate Theme, choose the Viverly logo, and with one click, SurveyMonkey inserts my logo and creates a custom theme with a few layout and color options to pick from. It's never been easier to create a great-looking survey. So I think our survey looks awesome, but before I send it, I want to preview it and invite some colleagues to check my work. I'll just click Preview, and we can see our new survey preview screen, complete with the survey overview that helps reviewers get a preview of the entire survey at a glance. In the bottom bar, we can see that our AI has reviewed the survey and tells me it's good to go. Great. And from here, I can easily share it with the rest of my team, with a new option to let people review and add comments, even if they don't have a SurveyMonkey account. And SurveyMonkey will automatically close the review session after 10 days to keep everything nice and secure. And that's just a preview of some of the features in the all-new homepage and survey creation experience in SurveyMonkey. The homepage, ease of use enhancements, and survey preview experience are available for you to start enjoying today. AI-assisted survey imports, theme generation, and the survey overview panel are currently in limited preview and will be rolling out along with some other great features that we're not quite ready to talk about later this summer. And now, back to Mike.
Thanks, Mark. We've just seen an incredible amount of innovation that's going to make gathering feedback more intelligent, more connected, effortless, and fun. And we're delighted to bring you these new features so that you can use them to get the insights you need to deliver world-class experiences. I hope you all saw something today that's made you excited to create your next survey and to dig into the results. Before we go, I want to thank all the teams at SurveyMonkey who are working hard every day to build these great new features for you. And thank you for inspiring us. Here's to the next 100 billion questions.